Do you want to learn how to generate AI image with Meta AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, head over to meta.ai on your web browser, and inside it, you'll see Ask Meta AI Anything. It kind of looks similar to the other AI tools like ChatGPT, Cloud AI. Now inside it, it says this on the third one, which says Imagine an image. We're going to click this. Now inside here, it's going to give you hints. If for any reason you are not sure what type of an image do you want to make, you can just click on any one of these. For example, I can click on this, an abandoned castle. It's going to enter the prompt for me and it's going to ask you to log in to generate images. So we're going to log in with Instagram. Now, once you've logged in, it's going to start generating the images. As you can see here, these are the ones that it has generated. Now I can also ask it to animate it. Let's see what it generates. So here we go. Meta AI also animates your AI images. Next to this, we have edit. If you want to edit something inside these images, you can type in here and it's going to edit that for you. But what I'm going to do is say, make it more eerie. Let's see what it generates. Okay, these are the 4 new ones that it generated, and it does look more eerie compared to the other ones. Now let's try to animate these as well. Okay, out of these, I think that this one is the best in animation. Let's try something else apart from all this. Let's go back to a new conversation, imagine an image. Now inside this, let's go for this, unicorns playing cards. Let's try this out. It's going to put an AI prompt for us, and it has generated these 4 images, and let's try to animate them. The second one has more animation to it, and the fourth one just looks kind of creepy. So let's go back and try one more to test it out. This one, a desert sphinx on Mars. And these are the generations. Let's try to animate it. Okay, that looks good. And that's it. This is how to use the image generator by Meta AI. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.